Before entering into adsorption, we should know what is sorption. Sorption nothing but a physical or chemical process by which a substance, that means it can be a gas or liquid, which is accumulate on another surface. That is another phase is a solid phase. So the interaction is called sorption. The sorption can be classified into two types. It is a adsorption or absorption. So adsorption is nothing but a physical interaction of the surface. Absorption means it dissolves or it will interact with the inner surfaces. So this adsorption can be classified into two types. One is a physisorption or chemisorption. Physisorption means there is a physical interaction, that's mean like van der Waals forces. There is a weak interaction between the solid surface and the interacting molecule. But in the case of chemisorption, there is a chemical bond formations will be possible. So what is the difference between physisorption and chemisorption? Physisorption is a non-direct, non-specific, and chemisorption is a highly specific. Physisorption is an there is no electron transfer, but in this case electron transfer and bond formations are possible. In the case of physisorption, it is rapid and non-active, activated and reversible. The process can be reversible. It can absorb and it can detach from the surfaces. So physisorption, that is possible reversible interaction. But in the case of chemisorption, it is activated because they have to form an activated bond between the two compounds, and it is slow and it is irreversible process. So normally physisorptions are no dissociations. Once the dissociation of the absorbed species, this may involve dissociation. In this case, there may be a monolayer or multi-layer is possible in the case of physisorptions. In the case of chemisorption, it is only a monolayer. Then because of the low temperature, the physisorptions can be feasible. When the chemisorption is possible for a wide range of temperature, when the physisorption interactions will be enabled at minus 20 kilojoule per mole, and in the case of chemisorptions, the enthalpy value, that the heat of release, the enthalpies are minus 200 kilojoule per mole. When the case of physisorption, in this case the temperature increases, the physisorption decreases. But in the case of chemisorptions, with increasing the temperature, first the chemisorption increases, but beyond a certain temperature there is a decrease in the chemisorption. Thank you for listening.